This is Keith Anthony C. Devilla, understanding, handsome, and moral. Second, that girl is Mia Caloros Simasangkay, faithful, good-humored, and maganda. Last but not the least, this is Kiel Andre M. Arellano, tall, moreno, and last, nonchalant.
Now, the intro is done. Let's proceed to the activities that we are gonna present. Activity 1. Printing text in serial monitor. The Arduino allows communication between the Arduino board and a computer. Activity 2. Showing temperature reading. This activity allows you to see kung gaano kainit ang isang lugar at nakikita ito sa monitor. Activity 3. Checking if the button is pressed. If you press the button, yung monitor ay magsasend ng signal kung napindot mo ba or hindi. Activity 4. Serial monitor as a remote control. If you send a signal on the monitor, the LED on the Arduino is iilaw. Activity 5. Light sensor logging. The light sensor can be detected how strong the light is. Distance measurement display version 1. When there's an object detected, the monitor will show how far the object is. Distance measurement display version 2. This activity is almost the same as version 1. Nilagyan lang siya ng LCD kung saan makikita mo kung gaano kalayo yung object. Activity 3. Obstacle detector. If there's an object detected nearby, the LED will light up. And the last part, for ultrasonic sensors, activity 4. As you can see, every distance has its own buzzer sound and LED color. So now, let's proceed to IR proximity sensors. Activity 1. Black and white detector. If there's an object detected, the monitor will say dark surface detected, but when there's none, it will say light surface detected. Activity 2. Proximity triggered siren. When there's an object detected, the buzzer will alert the user. Activity 3. Obstacle detector. When there's an obstacle detected, the LCD will count how many obstacles has it detected. Now, let's proceed with DC motor with MOSFET and DC motor with H-bridge. Activity 1. Button controlled DC motor using MOSFET. The DC motor spins around by tapping the button. Activity 2. DC motor speed. Control using potentiometer and MOSFET. The DC motor spins around by controlling the potentiometer left and right. The next activity will be shown is DC motor with H-bridge. Activity 1. Motor power control. The motor is in on and off state, and it runs for 1 second and stops for 1 second repeatedly. Activity 2. Motor speed control. We gradually increase and decrease the motor speed using PWM signals. Activity 3. Motor direction control. The DC motor spin clockwise and counterclockwise. Activity 4. Push button motor direction control. The two buttons control direction both left and right. And for the last activity, we combine buttons and potentiometer to control direction and speed.